Hey guys, I'm Michael over at Custom Offsets Garage, and here today we're going to talk about a product called Shoe Shine. Okay, so come on over here. We're working on one of the trucks here today. I washed it up, got it all clean. And so after you're done using your Dirty Lip shampoo wheel cleaner, you're going to want to use this stuff. So what you want to do is real quick, just give it a quick haze, spray on the rim here. Grab a clean microfiber towel here, and then start wiping. So get the face, get the front, get in between the whole rim. And this stuff is Acrylic wax. So this stuff is gonna leave your rim nice and shiny in the end. So just make sure that you get it all. Wipe up that residue, any drips, and get it really nice and shiny. And there, and that's how we use that. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just put it down in the drop down section. Thanks for watching, see you next time.